What makes a botanical garden different from a public park or your garden at home? David Troxel, a volunteer in the botany department at Marie Selby Botanical Gardens, has the answer.
Botanical gardens are a great way to relax, unwind, and enjoy all that nature has to offer. From delicate orchids to tall blooming shrubs planted along Sarasota Bay, Selby Gardens is a virtual paradise. A question we're often asked is, what makes a botanical gardens different from, say, a park or my really nice garden at home? And the answer is essentially the presence of a documented collection. A botanical garden is basically a museum for plants, and like any other museum, we keep track of our collection. Plants are given their own number, an identification number similar to a social security number, upon accession. This number follows them throughout the duration of their life here at the gardens. Another question would be, how do botanical gardens get the plants for their collection? There's three main ways: acquisition, propagation, and wild collection. Sometimes we swap material with other botanical gardens, or acquire plants from serious collectors with documented collections of their own. For our annual color displays, we source plants from local growers and nurseries. Another way we get plants for the collection is by propagating plants we already have in the collection. If something rare or desirable blooms and sets seed, for example, our greenhouse staff may try to grow a few flats of it. If a blooming tree planted on the grounds throws off a branch with a different color bloom, our nursery manager may try to take cuttings to grow. Then there's distribution plants. One of the perks of being a Selby Gardens member is our annual Members Day, where we all get to pick out free plants to bring home. These plants are propagated from seed or cutting by our horticulturists and grown right here at the gardens. By far, the most exciting way of acquiring plants for our collection is through wild collection. For 4 decades, Selby research scientists have been traveling the globe, collecting orchids, like this Gongora we got last year in Belize, and other plants to grow here at our garden paradise. We hope you learned a little bit today about why botanical gardens like Selby are so important, and maybe motivated you to get outside and see for yourself what's blooming. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the gardens.